Hi guys, Archie Luxury channel. And today guys, I've got another unboxing video to do. Now this is a long story. Basically, I sold my Super Ocean Heritage and I just felt bad. I had seller's remorse. So what did I do? I immediately jumped on Fleabay, and I picked myself up another Super Ocean. That's right. I couldn't help it. I was feeling miserable. I was feeling down. I was feeling really depressed. And I thought to myself, you know something, Archie? You know something? If you love watches so much, it doesn't matter what anyone else says about it having an ETA shitter movement. Just buy what you love. There's no point buying things to please other people who don't really even like you. So I kind of thought to myself, you know something? That is exactly the true sentiment of the Archie Luxury channel. So I immediately went on to the Fleabay. Breitling instruments for professionals. It's not quite as nice as my box. Okay, I can see that. Not quite as beauty. Wowzers. Breitling instruments for professionals. Oh, this one doesn't have the electronic card with it. Okie dokie. It's an international warranty. Oh, okay. Okay, so this one here, warranty certificate. That's how it works. This is the older one. Okay. Okie dokie. Oh, this is the chronometer certificate. Okay. So that's how they did papers. What the hell? Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, gotcha. Gotcha. He paid for this here. Savings. What the hell is this? I don't know what he's bought here, but it's okie dokie. Jeez, okay, fair enough. This is what it is. This is what the Breitling Super Ocean is there. Yes, this is. I suppose this is it. This is it. Yeah. Okay, so this is kind of how the box fits together there. So look, let's see if it'll fit on good old Archie's wrist here. I don't know what to think. I think I got buyer's remorse now. I think I've got some buyer's remorse. A little bit of buyer's remorse has kicked in. A little bit of buyer's remorse. Yeah, what do I think? Bit of buyer's remorse has kicked in now. Let's have a look. a wee bit of buyer's remorse. I think a bit of buyer's remorse has just kicked in there. A bit of buyer's remorse. I had seller's remorse before. Now I think I've got buyer's remorse. Buyer's remorse. Buyer's remorse now. I got buyer's remorse, guys. Buyer's remorse. A bit of buyer's remorse has kicked in.
Okay.